Today I'm going to show you how to work the bobble on the grapevine pattern. This is the grapevine hat, but there's also a grapevine sweater. When knitting these bobbles, because they're short little amounts of stitches, if you can learn how to knit backwards, it prevents a lot of turning your work back and forth over and over again for just a small number of stitches. So to start the bobble, we knit into the front and the back of the stitch twice. So knit into the front, we knit into the back, knit into the front again, and then knit into the back again. So we have turned what would have been one stitch into 4 stitches. Now we can turn our work and purl these stitches back, or we can knit backwards. So to knit backwards, you take your left needle and you insert it into the back of the first stitch, wrap the yarn around, and I hold this yarn with my left hand, my middle finger of my left hand specifically, and pull that stitch off. So one stitch, knit backwards. Again, insert the left needle into the back of the stitch, wrap the yarn around, hold it with my left index finger, slip it up and over. We'll do that 2 more times. So this knitting backwards achieves the same result as turning your work and purling those stitches back. Now in this bobble, we do one more round of this, one more row this direction, and then one more row the other direction. So I'm just going to knit these for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to knit them backwards again. Insert the left needle behind, wrap around, hold it with my left middle finger behind, and pull it off. I have not tried this with continental knitting, but essentially it's going to be the same process. You might just have to finagle how you hold your yarn. So we purled those stitches back. Essentially, we have gotten a little stockinette stitch area. And now we're going to finish our bobble. In this bobble, you slip the first 2 stitches knitwise, knit the last 2 stitches together, and then we're going to pass the 2 slip stitches over. And we'll do that in one motion. So we insert into both of them, pull them off, and now we've got a bobble. That is how you knit backwards to make your bobble on the grapevine pattern. Thanks for watching. See y'all soon. Bye.